everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Rusty Autoholic guy where you see every single nut and bolt that I work on. Today we're going to be working on getting the interior as far back together as humanly possible. So we got the two-piece hardtop back half on. We do need to put the glass in. I do have the replacement glass up there. It's actually the reason why I was able to buy the two-piece hardtop is because that window was broken and it just dropped the cost. I have tan carpet over there. We're going to be putting the tan carpet in. The other thing we're going to be doing today is we are going to be cleaning, priming, prepping, and painting the door panels. So these door panels will be the same color as the dashboard. And I feel like that will flow really well. However, we are not going to mess with the seats right now. I'm going to leave the seats black. It will look actually really good. I'm not worried about it. And the seats are the easiest thing to change. So for now, we're just going to throw the seats I have back in it. So we're going to have a tan dashboard, tan door panels, tan carpet, and the seats will be black because I want to just get this thing up and running and I want to hear it run. So anyway, that's what we're aiming to do in this video. So yeah, I'm going to set up time lapse and let's get to work. Okay guys, so I finished spraying all the coats of paint onto the door panels. I learned my lesson from the dashboard. I'm going to let these cure overnight. So I'm not going to touch them. I'm not even going to pull off this painter's tape until tomorrow. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to move the GoPro into the Wrangler and we're going to work on installing the rear carpets, hopefully the seat belts and the rear seat. If I get done with that, I don't know, we'll see what's next. But anyway, back to time lapse. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I've really learned my lesson from the dashboard, so I'm going to let the door panels cure overnight. I'll try to install those either tomorrow evening or the day after. But yeah, so the door panels have been cleaned, primed, and painted, and we have gotten the rear interior of the Wrangler back in. So the carpets are in, the rear seats back in, all the seat belts are bolted up, so everything's looking really good. I decided not to go ahead and put the front carpet in because I still need to remove the e-brake, the shifter, and the transfer case shifter. I have a narrow all aluminum center console coming in from Genrite, so I can mount the Winter's car shifter and the JB Custom Fabrications shifters for the doubler and the transfer case. However, with that kit, I cannot use the stock e-brake, so I'm thinking about just pulling the handle off for now and leaving the cable in place, so I can use some kind of electronic servo in the future if I want to. But truth be told, with this being an automatic Wrangler, I've actually never used the parking brake. I usually just chuck it in park and call it good. But anyway, leave a comment down below with what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, you know what to do. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. And if you have, as always, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.